Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to our channel once again. Now, I'm sure majority of you know that this channel is mostly interested in vocational study opportunity, and that is how majority of you heard about Japa with their days, because we are devoted and very much interested in travel opportunity that will not cost you to break the bank, that will not financially strain you. Yes, and of course, vocational study opportunity, as we all know it, especially in Europe, are one of the easiest route to travel. And we've done a whole lot of videos around that, especially at the beginning of this year. And yes, we have another vocational study opportunity for everyone interested in relocating to Austria. Yes, this is a vocational study opportunity at the Institute of Tourism Management and Hotel Management. Now, and these two courses in Austria are strictly taught in English. If you study tourism management and hospitality management or hotel management. Yes, and of course, the good thing about ACE is that it requires no degree whatsoever. It's only required that you have GCE or WAEC as your minimum educational certificate. Yes, and it is a fully funded opportunity for everyone offered the scholarship to. So which means if you are offered, of course, you will submit applications for the scholarship as well. So which means if you are offered the scholarship, it is fully funded for everyone. It covers your tuition fee, it covers your accommodations, your feeding, your health insurance, your transportations, and a whole lot of other things which I will be showing to you shortly. Now, one of the good things about it is this, or one of the requirements of this fully funded scholarship is that you need to have at least 1 year experience, either in the hospitality management or in the tourism management. At least show a proof that you have experience in any of these two courses that you might be interested in. And as I've told you, it is strictly taught in English, so which means your O level must show evidence that you understand English and that you can communicate in English. Now, which also means that any document that you'll be submitting must also be submitted in English or in Dutch or German. Those are the two languages that they accept with respect to document that you'll be submitting. Everybody can apply, regardless of any country or any nation that you're watching this video from. You can apply for this. Now, one of the good things I'm going to point out again, there is no proof of fund, because once you are offered this scholarship, it is fully funded for everything. It covers everything. So which means when you go to the embassy for your residence permit or for your visa, you will not need to provide any proof of funds, because there is a monthly stipend that will be provided. Tuition fee is fully covered, accommodation is fully covered, everything is fully covered. So what do you need proof of fund for? Nothing. Now, I'm sure you'll be wondering, oh, I did one for Portugal. At the end of the day, people need to be able to get residence permit and things like that. Yes, this one will also be giving you residence permit, because the program lasts up to 8 months to 1 year, with an additional compulsory internship after your study program, because it is a hands-on training that they will be giving to you. So which means it offers you residence permit, which give you opportunity to travel around the world or travel to any other Schengen or EU countries as you may wish. Another good thing of it is this: you can also move with your family. However, if you're moving with your family, you will be financially responsible for your family. If you are offered the full scholarship, the Institute of Tourism and Tourism Management and Hotel Management will be responsible only for the primary applicant offered the scholarship. Any other dependent will be your responsibility. So that is where proof of funds can come in, to show why you are traveling with them, if you can financially take care of them and every other things like that. So yes, I'm going to be showing to you the details about the application process. Mind you, the application has already commenced. It started from the December 2nd of this month, and it's going to last up until March of next year. So I'm going to be showing to you the details about the application procedure, the document required to apply, the application process, the details about everything that you need to be able to submit your applications. And if you're very, very serious about your relocation plan for next year, this application process is going to take you about 10 minutes. So you cannot tell me that you cannot spare 10 minutes of your time to be able to apply for this vocational study opportunity to Austria. And of course, you don't even need legalizations. There is no legalization required for anything. So the hassles of going about legalization, the dates and everything that you need to go to the Austrian embassy. I know that appointments are very scarce, so you don't need legalization at the Austrian embassy for anything. So even the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Ministry of Education authentication of your WAEC certificate or GC certificate is not until when you have been offered the scholarship and you are going for visa applications or residence permit application. That is when you need it. To apply for it, you don't need it. So you don't need to apply for this scholarship or for this program. You don't need any of that for now. I mean, what excuse would you tell me that you have that will not make you to be able to explore this opportunity or apply to this program? So come with me. Let me quickly show you the details about this application process. And if you're just coming across our channel, this is Japa with their days. On this channel, we are very, very committed and devoted to your relocation plan for the year 2025. And we try as much as possible to bring juicy and easy relocation routes and opportunities to everyone on this channel. So if you are just coming across our channel, like and subscribe to this channel so that by the time we drop informations and opportunities like this, you will be the first person to get notification, and we can promise you that we are bringing many and many and many vocational study opportunity our way. So let's check this opportunity together. So as I said earlier, the name of the school is called Institute of Tourism Management and Hotel Management. And all the videos or the links rather, all the links that I'm going to be talking about on this video, you can check them in the video descriptions. I will drop everything on the video description so you can do details research about the schools, the different courses that you might be interested in, or any particular course that you mostly have experience at. Don't forget, 1 year, at least 1 year experience is one of the essential requirements of these applications and scholarship. Okay. So yes, the name of the school, Institute of Tourism Management and Hotel Management. And as you can see on your screen, application period is already open. Okay. So let's check the two courses that are taught in the school: hospitality management and tourism management. And if you want to do any further personal information about or research about each of the courses, you can do them at your own spare time, what you'll be taught and every other thing that it covers. It is an extensive programs that it's hands-on. So that is why at least they require that you have at least a 1 year experience, because they will be teaching you based on your experience for each of these two courses. And if you know, in Europe now, these two courses are in high demands. When you have certification in most of the industry or most of the organizations in the tourism management and hospitality management, they mostly require this certificate for you to be employed. So if you have these skills or certificate from this school, you are good to go to be able to get a good job after your program. Now, and so yes, this is as I said, these are the two courses that you can aim to study. Now, let's quickly check what the scholarship covers. Now, there is Austrian Development Corporation scholarship. The Austrian Development Corporation offers scholarship to students from ADC priority country and to students from developing countries. And then let's quickly check which country are regarded as ADC priority country and which one are regarded as developing countries. Now, ADC priority countries are these. ADC priority countries are these. We have Ethiopia, Uganda, Burkina Faso, Mozambique, Bhutan, Palestine territories, Georgia, Armenia, Moldova. Those are the ADC priority country. Why developing countries are countries like Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, Ethiopia, Gambia. I mean, as you can see them on my list. So which means, I mean, almost every part of Africa and the world can also apply. But of course, you can check the developing countries, which countries are regarded as developing countries. If your countries is among this list, you are good to go. I'm very sure Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, and the likes, majority of African countries are there already. So you can apply to it. Now, let's quickly check what the scholarship covers, the procedure. This is ITH scholarship application process, okay? And the collect all relevant documents and submit your application via the web form between 2nd of December 2024, which is the application timeline, and 16th of March 2025, which is the application timeline. So between 2nd of December to 16th of March, that's about almost about 3 months for you to submit your applications, and just hope to God for the best. Okay, you will receive a confirmation by email that your application has been received and processed. You will be informed about the result of your application in May 2025. So by May 2025, you will know your fate if you have been offered this scholarship. So you just need at least 10 minutes of your time to package everything together and submit for this scholarship. Tips for a successful application: fill out the application form online. Make sure you supply all the required information and attach the entire required document. Send translated English or German documents if required. Check your email regularly and included a working email address and phone number. Apply on time. Application after 16th of March will not be processed. So which means if you apply after 16th of March, it will not be processed. Provide all admission requirements. Clarify any doubt with the ITH office. So if you have any doubt, questions, or whatsoever, send email to the ITH office. They will be able to, which is the Institute of Tourism Management and Hotel Management. They will be able to answer all your questions. In your motivation letter, make clear why you are interested in the program and why you should receive a scholarship. So in your motivation letter, ensure that all of those things are detailed there and why you feel you should be awarded a scholarship. Only complete and appropriate applications will be considered. Important dates for you, I've talked about it. March 16th is the deadline. The course begins by 8th of September 2025. Visa application, you can start with the visa application process right after receiving the letter of acceptance by May 2025. Planned duration of the diploma course by September 8th, 2025 up until 2026. Okay, that is the the course timeline. Now, I've talked about ADC priority country, and I've talked about the developing country, OECD developing country list. And then this scholarship include tuition fee, course material, health insurance, food on school days. From what I heard, they provide 3 square meal, morning, afternoon, and night. 3 square meal, excursion and social event, monthly pocket money, partial cost of accommodation, partial cost of accommodation. Now, let's see what that means. Not included in scholarship, accommodation costs have to be covered partially by students who are awarded this scholarship. So which means if you are awarded the scholarship, you will pay only 1,500 euro for you to be given full, because the school will bear half, you will bear half. So 1,500 euro, that is all that they need you to pay. That is all. This is great. I'm telling you, this is great. Flight tickets, students have to cover their own travel expenses. Visa fee, students have to cover their own visa fee. These are the only thing that is required from you to be able. That is until, of course, that is until you have been offered a scholarship. That is when you, how much is 1,500? That is all that you have to pay. This is really, really, really great. So let's quickly check the applications process. So once you are interested in any of this, you click on the application, ITH application 2025, and let's quickly see what the application form actually entails. Okay, so this is the general requirement of what you need to submit. You have to show citizenship of which country are you among the list that has already been talked about, or that I've already talked about. You choose your country, your knowledge of English on B2 level, especially if you're coming from an English-speaking country. You have to show that, yes, English is your primary language, and since it will be shown in your O level. But if you have IELTS and any other English proficiency certificate, all well and good. But if you have a good score in your A level or O level or WAEC or GCE, you are good to go. And the GCE A level or equivalent, which enables enrollment at the university, you will be asked to provide proof later. So if you have GCE or WAEC or A level or whatever, you choose yes. At least 1 year experience in the hospitality or tourism industry, you choose yes. All my documents are translated into English, you choose yes. Your international passport expiry date, you choose, you put the date of your international passport when it will be expiring. And the most important part, as I said earlier, you must be between the age of 18 to 35 years for you to be eligible to apply for this scholarship and for this program. So if you are within this age, you put your age and your age bracket or your age timeline into this box. And once you do, you'll be able to get the opportunity to move to the next. So it is a very simple application process that will not take up to 10 minutes. And as they said, you have to be checking your email constantly for if they have any other questions or requirements that you need to upload. Your motivation letter is very important. It must show reason why they should offer you this scholarship, why you want to do this course, your experience from the 1 year. You just need to show. And one thing about this is that you just need to show a proof that you have at least 1 year experience either in the tourism management or hospitality management. And once you can defend it via your motivation letter or via the video interview link that they will send to you later for you to be able to show why you need the scholarship, I mean, you are good to go. And once you are offered the scholarship, there's no reason for them not to approve your visa because everything is fully funded. There's no proof of funds that you need. And once the school can confirm that you have been enrolled or given the scholarship, they provide you a letter and everything that you need to take to the embassy to apply. So you are good to go. So this is the vocational opportunity that we want to talk about. And don't forget, you can move with your family on this, but you'll be financially responsible for your family. So as I said, many vocational opportunities like this are coming up. We are going to be trying as much as possible to research them and bring them our way. And I'm very sure the year 2025 is your year of relocations to any choice European country. And I'm very sure if you devote your time, you prepare your document and everything to it, you will be able to achieve it. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It is very, very important to us that you give this video a thumbs up, a like, and also share it to your loved ones because, I mean, you never can know which of your neighbor or which of your friends you are doing a good one too. Yes, this video will really help a whole lot of people. So try as much as possible to share it to everybody, share it to your loved ones. It will really help them. Okay, and if you have not subscribed, it is very important to us. Please subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate everyone that has subscribed so far, and we also appreciate you that will also now subscribe to our channel. Till we come your way next time with another juicy opportunities like this. Bye-bye for now.